Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we are going to solve this nice Olympiad math question. X plus 3 power 3 equals to 7 minus x. Let's provide solution very quickly. And here the third thing here is to copy what we have. We have x plus 3 power 3 which equals to 7 minus x. Then here at this stage what we have is this one. We shall write x plus 3, then here power 3, right? Then of course here we shall take this one, here we shall write plus, we're going to add 3 on both sides, which equals to 7 minus x, then plus 3. Then here we shall write x plus 3 power 3, then plus 3, which equals to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus x. At this stage here, we shall write x plus 3 power 3, then plus, we are going to change the position of this negative x to get plus x plus 3, which equals to 10. Then here, what we have x plus 3 power 3, and here we have plus x plus 3. At this stage we can write t equals to x plus 3. Then we shall replace it in the above equation we have to get t power 3 plus t equals to 10. Of course, then we shall write this one as t power 3 plus t minus 10 equals to 0. And of course here we shall write this one as t power 3 plus t minus 8 plus 2 equals to 0. Then this is equal to t power 3 plus t minus 8 minus 2 equals to 0. Then by grouping right terms, we shall write this t power 3 minus this 8 is equal to 2 power 3 plus t minus 2 equals to 0. And of course this one only we shall write as t then minus 2 times t squared plus 2t plus 4 then plus t minus 2 equals to 0. At this stage we have t minus 2 as common. We shall factorize t minus 2, then open bracket of t squared plus 2t plus 4, then here plus 1 from this one, then cross bracket equals to 0. At this stage we shall write t minus 2, open bracket of t squared plus 2t plus 5, cross bracket equals to 0. At this stage we shall write this one as t minus 2 equals to 0, or t squared plus 2t plus 5 will be equals to 0. At this stage we have t which equals to 2. And here we have quadratic equation where our a is equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 5. We are supposed to find discriminant or delta, which is equal to negative b, b squared, which is equal to b squared minus 4ac. And this will be, we have 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5, and we shall get here 4 minus 20, which is equal to negative 16. At this stage we shall reject this. So we shall continue by this one. We have said that t equals to x plus 3, and we have that t is equals to 2, which is equal to x plus 3. At this stage we shall write 2 minus 3, which is equal to x, and of course negative 1 equals to x. Therefore our x will be equals to negative 1. Then here this is our solution, and here we can check if our answer is correct, because I've given x plus 3 power 3 equals to 7 minus x, and this will be negative 1 plus 3 power 3, which is equal to 7 minus here minus negative 1 and this will be here, that is 2 power 3, which is equal to here 8, and of course 8 equals to 8. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.